Okay, let's take a look at this example where we are going to solve the following system of equations graphically on a set of axes below. So you're given two equations, y equals 2x minus 2 and y equals negative x plus 7. This is a system of equations. Notice they are both in slope-intercept form, so we can graph these, all right? You want to, first of all, identify the y-intercept, or the plus b. This one is minus 2, so we would start this graph at negative 2. It has a slope of 2, which is 2 over 1, so we're going to do a rise of 2 and a run of 1. And we can put another point there, and we have graphed the first equation. Then we have the second one. It has a slope of negative 1 and an intercept of plus 7, so we're going to start at 7. And then it has a slope of negative 1, so we will go down 1 and to the right 1. And then we'll graph that equation. Well, now you can see that they intersect right here at the ordered pair of 3, 4. So when we go down here for our solution is going to be exactly that, 3, 4. And then we can submit our answer. Make sure that you write your final solution in a coordinate pair. So let's go ahead and put that in parentheses. Before we submit our answer, remember it's always x first and then y. All right, and that's how you solve a system of equations graphically.